Hi, welcome to Chester Power channel. This is Jack. We are manufacturing in China for lithium batteries manufacturing. We provide OEM and ODM service. Today I will introduce three most popular solar batteries from Chester Power. Let's watch the video. The first one is PowerCube P5A. This is a stackable battery. The 1 unit is 5 kWh, and you can extend the capacity by stacking. It can support 16 units in parallel for collections. So that means you can get 80 kWh. Every P5A with an LCD display, you can check the SOC and voltage of battery, voltage of every cells. The design is popular. Wow. The second one is PowerPad P7A. We use BYD blade cells in this battery, so that means you can get a very thin battery. This is a wall-mount battery. It looks like a TV. I like this design. The third one is P10A Powerwall. It's wall mount, and you can also put on ground. The capacity of this battery is 10 kWh. Nice. This battery with LCD display. Which one do you like? You can leave your comments. Thank you. See you.